I'm Jyotsna. I've done my engineering in electrical and electronics. I have worked for Aigenxt India Global Services for about 2 years, 2 months, and now I'm on break. I just want to restart my career again. So I was just looking for options. I found this Foursteps solution offering Python and artificial intelligence at a very reasonable price, and I was really surprised to see that. And I just called them and spoke to them. I was really happy with what the information they gave me, and they are doing it for a very good cause, and I really like the cause what they are doing it for. And I'm very glad that I'm a part of this course. I've completed about 25%. I really feel this is so easy and anyone can learn this course. And I was the person who would not like programming, but now after learning this course, I feel so happy, and I'm coding with so much ease, and I'm really liking this course so much. I would like to thank Four Step Solution for giving this course for a very reasonable price. Really, thank you so much.